My name is Subhan Jahanzee. What is success? When I go to different universities and meet different students, the first question that I ask them is, what is success to you? Unfortunately, many of them replied that the day when we are rich and when we become famous, that will be the day when we consider ourselves successful. Very few students say that the day when we are able to pay back to our society, then we are consider ourselves accomplished and successful. And I will tell you, this is the right answer. Remember, money and famous is the byproduct that you will get automatically when you will work hard. Do not call it success. Success is when you spend that money on needy people and for society and on your parents for their struggles to pay them back. And the last thing is that do not call success is rich and famous. The success is helping the society and your near and dear ones. Thank you so much.
Okay, good talks.